At OmniBlend Australia, we wanted to find out how the OmniBlend compares with the Blendtec. Real-world application testing is the only way to establish a genuine benchmark. So we devised the lemon test, a simple way to provide an accurate and repeatable comparison between two machines, filmed with no edits or cuts. We place an average size lemon with 500 ml of water in each machine and blend. We thought the best way to compare the machines was to use the Blendtec's 50-second whole juice cycle versus the OmniBlend's 60-second cycle, turned off 10 seconds early. OmniBlend is manufactured by JTC, a Taiwanese and Chinese company. JTC has 35 years of experience creating electrical appliances and components. They have built and refined the OmniBlend over 19 years and it's sold in 90 countries. The OmniBlend is a commercial-grade machine used in restaurants, cafes and smoothie bars, bringing professional quality smoothies and drinks into the home, for not much more than the price of a domestic retail blender. OmniBlend's popularity has led to the creation of many fake copies. In Australia, only OmniBlend brand machines are genuine JTC blenders. The heart of any blender is its motor. OmniBlend has a commercial-grade 3 horsepower, 2,238 watt variable speed motor with power sufficient for the toughest of applications and decades of use. Blendtec has a 1,560 watt 2 horsepower motor, also designed for commercial and domestic use. Blendtec has a 7-year limited warranty. OmniBlend Australia's standard domestic warranty covers the base and motor for 5 years and the whole machine for 3. For $99, you can purchase our 7-year extended warranty and buy an OmniBlend for around half the price of a Blendtec machine. The results: we pour the blended ingredients through a sieve and disperse the foam to show what pulp remains. The Blendtec left 3 times more pulp in the sieve than the OmniBlend. The OmniBlend is clearly better at blending lemons. It will do the same for nuts, seeds and leafy greens. More nutrients, better flavour. The OmniBlend simply makes smoother smoothies. It can also blend aluminium cans. We've done it here, so you don't need to try it.